So right now you said it's prefab, but you're going 6th order.
Yeah, this is prefab. We're going 6th order. Me and my cousin are building it.
Okay.
And it's going to be for these two EVL 12s for now.
Watch out. Nice. So it's just a 3K. Is this a 3K?
Sundown 3K, yes sir.
At 1 ohm? Nice. Looks good. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Sorry about that, man.
No, you're good, buddy.
Yeah, I do a lot of videos. Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
I'm David. I'm with Team Bass Outlaws. Right now in here, I got two 12s, two Scar Audio EVL 12s. I got 3,000 watt Sundown and 45 hertz is my loudest tone, and I'm gonna give you a tone test right here.
Okay. Could you tell me, do you know like the box specs on it?
The box is tuned to 49 hertz.
49, so you're
tuned high. It's a custom built box, yeah.
Okay.
I'm tuned high on this box.
Yep.
Well, I mean, this is a prefab box, not a custom built. I got a 6th order I'm making right now to put in here for the next show. So.
Okay. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah, let's go.
Very nice. So right now you said it's prefab, but you're going 6th order.
Yeah, this is prefab. We're going 6th order. Me and my cousin are building it.
Okay.
And it's going to be for these two EVL 12s for now.
Watch out. Nice. So it's just a 3K. Is this a 3K?
Sundown 3K, yes sir.
At 1 ohm? Nice. Looks good. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of David's system. He was at the Slamfest audio show and near Tampa, Florida area. Be sure to give him a like if you enjoyed the video so far, as well as a comment. Let him know what you like about his system. Pretty impressive for a budget banger system in a hatchback. It actually got really loud. Of course, it is a higher tuned box, so you're not going to be seeing something playing in the 25 to 30 hertz range. Probably like mid 30s up into the mid to low 50 hertz range. So two 12s inverted. Looking forward to seeing how it sounds. I got a really good demo for y'all to see. Got two tones with a window depth and then also some back flex. So notice the way the amplifier is mounted with the battery bank behind the seat. It's pretty ideal daily driver system, and having 3 extra batteries. These two excess power, I'm pretty sure they're Group 34s. And then you had a small AGM North Star back there as well. So I have a question for everybody before that. Notice the way he has his subs and his port all in the same direction. Standard prefab box with the subs inverted. So my question is, do you invert your subwoofers or do you regular mount them? Comment why. I see a lot of people mount inverted whenever the box is too small. They want to see the motors, a little better cooling, and you also can wire the subs a little bit easier. And then notice that the box is at window line, so if he was competing also, he can't invert them because the motors would be in the way. He could compete, but it may put him in a different class depending on the org regulation and rules. I don't know much on the SPL side, but I do know all about car audio systems and demoing. So two 12s on a total of 3,000 watts. Pretty sure he had a stock alternator in there as well. Probably banging at least a 145 dB on music in this system demo we're getting to. So subscribe for daily videos and enjoy.
Here we go.
Yep. So that's 45.
That's 45.
Is that your peak?
That's my peak, yeah.
Is it louder with the windows up or down?
Let's try. Oh, the windows up. Oh, I didn't even know.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, those were up, so let's see if it does a little better with those up.
Yeah,
might do better like that.
Yeah, I like that.
All right.
also.
You are?
So,
Okay.
yeah.
What's your stream?
It's twitch.tv Dazed and Confused Gaming 420.
All right, there you go.
Check me out, man.
Yes, sir.